when partisans went to fight with Germans, the families were left there without any protection, with anything. And one man from the partisans came to my mother and brought a little boy, the same like I was. And he said that, I don't know what to do, maybe you will take him. My mother said, I don't know what will happen to us. If you will be killed, he will be killed, but I go to fight, I cannot do anything. So this little boy was with us all this time, and I was walking and asking for bread, but he did not. He was a gentleman. He did not want to be a beggar. So we survived, and this boy survived. And his father also, after the war, he came to us, and took the son. His name, the son's name was Levechka, Levechka. I remember very well. He took this son, and after the war, when we came back to Minsk, my mother somebody told her that this boy's mother was Jewish. And when Germans came, his father took the mother to Germans to save his own life. So he went and she take this Jew, and they killed her. That's how it was.